If your Lennox Signature Series AC blower motor isn't running right even after swapping the motor and testing the capacitor, you're probably dealing with a control or wiring issue that's messing with the fan starting up. Okay, so first, make sure your thermostat is actually sending a signal to the AC unit. Like, set the thermostat fan to on instead of auto, and see if the blower kicks on. If it doesn't, it could mean no power is getting to the blower motor, or the contactor isn't engaging properly. Since you said it only runs when you manually push the contactor plunger, that tells me the contactor coil might not be getting voltage. You want to test for 24 volts at the contactor coil terminals when the AC should be running. No voltage could be a faulty thermostat wire or a problem on the control board. Also, check your circuit breakers and any fuses again just to be sure nothing tripped or blew. Another thing is the pressure switches or float switches that can cut power if there's a safety concern like low refrigerant or water in the drain pan. These switches can sometimes fail or get stuck. Lastly, double check all your wiring connections for loose or corroded contacts. Sometimes it's just a bad connection causing all the trouble. One of the biggest mistakes people make with AC blower issues is assuming the motor or capacitor is always the problem when it's actually a control voltage issue. Fix this by testing for 24 volts at the contactor coil with a multimeter. Another common problem is ignoring safety switches like float switches or pressure switches that can cut power. Make sure these are working and reset if necessary. Third, not confirming that thermostat wiring and settings are correct can lead to endless frustration. Verify the thermostat is actually calling for cooling and that wires aren't damaged or loose. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and offer reliable service. For contractors, it's a great way to get more quality leads and build a solid reputation in your area without all the hassle.